Welcome back, garden enthusiasts! Today, we're focusing on regrowing bell peppers and tomatoes from kitchen scraps. This easy and sustainable method allows you to recycle food waste and enjoy fresh produce right at home. Let's get started. Regrowing bell peppers and tomatoes is cost-effective and environmentally friendly. It reduces food waste and provides fresh vegetables. Here's how to regrow bell peppers. First, save the seeds. Collect seeds from a ripe bell pepper. Rinse and dry them. Next, plant in soil. Fill a pot with seed starting mix. Plant seeds 1/4 inch deep. Then, water and care. Water lightly but regularly. Place in a sunny spot. Finally, transplant. When seedlings are a few inches tall, transplant them into larger pots or your garden. Here's how to regrow tomatoes. First, save the seeds. Scoop out seeds from a ripe tomato, rinse and dry them. Next, plant in soil. Fill a pot with seed starting mix and plant the seeds 1/4 inch deep. Then, water and care for them. Water lightly but regularly and place the pot in a sunny spot. Finally, transplant. When the seedlings are a few inches tall, transplant them into larger pots or your garden. Harvest bell peppers when they're bright and firm. Simply cut the stem with scissors. Harvest tomatoes when they're fully colored and slightly soft. You can gently twist and pull or use scissors. Store bell peppers in a plastic bag in the refrigerator. And for tomatoes, store them at room temperature or refrigerate the ripe ones. Regrowing bell peppers and tomatoes is simple, rewarding, and sustainable. Enjoy fresh vegetables by giving it a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!